Hi rapid sale buyers, here's your opportunity for the RIKON 70-220VSR wood lathe. It's a premium manufacturer, high-end quality unit, and it's got spindle speed, variable speed, forward, reverse. So I'm just going to do a little video to let people see how it works. It's got forward, reverse. And we can adjust the spindle speed for you. There she goes. So give you that real fine, or slow it down if you like. Then you shut it off. It's got reverse. Turn it on. See, now it's going the other way. And it has the step pulleys on the inside of it. So this model here can come, you can buy an extension for it to have a longer bed, and it bolts on right there. It's got a really heavy duty frame, and it is a very solid unit. So anyways, for those people that love to do woodworking and want a real good lathe, here's your opportunity to bid, buy, and win.